What if I say India is going to be a golden bird again? It's true. It's raining gold for Yadri Gopuram work. Basically, Gopuram temple जो श्री नरसिम्हा राव श्री लक्ष्मी नरसिम्हा Swami temple. It is situated in Bongi district of Telangana. So the construction work is going on, and maintenance is also uh, carry on. So the temple is going to fully gold plated, and there is a need of 125 kg of gold to fully plated gold plated to make it gold plated temple. So there is a lot of people who are donating golds and money for this work, and first it will be layer by copper, and then it fixed by the gold. Before the Vimana Gopuram, the temple soars up to a height of 47 feet and would be visible for miles around, including the train passing on the Bonge Sikandrabad, and the chief minister promised 1.16 kg of gold on his family behalf. He will donated 1.16 kg of gold, and there is a lot of people who are donating, and some are MLAs, MPs, and other people. Uh, if someone who is willing to pay money, he can also pay. The money will be collected, and then the gold will be bought up from the Reserve Bank of India. The first gold-plated temple made was built before 2000 years ago. The Haramdir Sahib in Amritsar, now which we known as the Golden Temple of Punjab. On that time, Maharaja Ranjit Singh have donated 16.39 lakh rupees. On that time, you can imagine how much money was that on 2000 years ago. An earlier plan from 2018 involved gold plating the Dhwajastambham as well as a Sayan Sala of the Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple. Some of the bigger donors of the temple have been Mega Engineer and has promised to donate 6 kg of gold. Hetero Pharma owners with 5 kg and Nagar Kumol MLA M. Janardhan Reddy with 2 kg of gold. A back of envelope calculation shows that till now about 40 kg of gold has been promised. A special account has been created by the uh, Yadri Temple Development Authority to streamline donation for gold plating. So there are a lot of people who are continually uh, donating gold and money to make the temple gold plated. So you can see how the temple is, and it is 47 feet long. I mean, in height 47. Its the height is 47 feet. So after gold plated, it would look like something like this. Right now, the temple is like this. If someone willing to see the culture of India, he must visit South India, like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. As you can see, the gold plated temple, golden temple.